Hello and welcome guys. In this video I am going to show you how to create a YouTube channel icon or logo using canva.com. Just go to canva.com, then hit create design, then custom designs. Width is 800 pixels and height is 800 pixels as well. Then hit on create design. So here search tech and then scroll down. You can choose any icon if you according to your niche. You can type something like health, gaming, anything you want to create YouTube channel icon. But for my channel I will be creating tech related icon, so I will write tech, then scroll down to this one and just simply change my name, channel name. My channel name is Subha Malik, so I will write Subha Malik and here I will write SNM. So then my YouTube channel icon or logo has been created within a few minutes, within just 1 minute. So you can also change its color, background color like this or any color you want to have, but I will stick with this one. So click on download and save it as PNG. So PNG, JPEG, anything you like to save as, I will save as in PNG file. So the file is downloading, just save and then let's see. Wow, this is how you can quickly create YouTube channel icon or logo using canva.com. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon, and do like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.